Sending money to your loved ones in Jamaica just got easier with Wise. First, log into your Wise account on their website or open the app once you're logged in, locate and click on the prominent Send Money button. Now, we need to tell Wise where the money is coming from and where it's going in the You Send field. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your Wise balance then. In the They Receive field, select Jamaican dollars, JMD. As the destination currency, Wise will instantly show you the exchange rate and the total amount your recipient will get. Next, you'll be asked how you want to send. Choose the bank account option for direct transfers to a Jamaican bank account. This is where accuracy is key. You'll need your recipient's full name, their Jamaican bank account number, and the name of their bank. Double-check all this information to avoid any delays or errors. Before confirming, Wise will present you with a clear summary of your transfer. You'll see the amount being sent, the fees, the exchange rate, and importantly, the estimated time your money will arrive in Jamaica. Review this carefully. Once you're satisfied with the details, proceed to confirm your transfer. You'll then be prompted to choose your preferred payment method to fund the transfer from your Wise account, such as using your Wise balance or another linked payment method. And that's it. Your money is on its way to Jamaica. You'll receive a confirmation with a reference number, and you can usually track the progress of your transfer directly within your Wise account. Wise makes international money transfers straightforward and transparent, so you can have peace of mind.